This is the Perfect Body Trimmer Kit from VINATO. Magnetic close. First you'll see is the instructions. Let's give you a quick overview. It comes with the double edge safety razor. So in the box, let's go ahead and take out the razor first. Branded. It's a very nice handle. And then this is where you'll put your razor blade. This is your box of blades. This will be your stand with the charging. Oh. That's a very nice, it's kind of a TPU material cover on it. It's very nice. Charging at the bottom. Dock it like that, like so. Does come with a power brick. It's a different head here, so you can trim. Then here's for your body. Then inside the box, you'll get different size blades. Add-on attachment, just depending if you're doing like maybe the back of your head or just trimming part of your beard. That comes with a power cable, some grease oil, and a little brush. And that is all that we have in the box. So the quality of this feels very nice in the hand. It's a good size, it's not too big, and it's just really palm size, right, to hold. Overall, I love that this is a set that's well made. It has a nice docking station to charge. And of course, you get the nice double manual blade. And that's a pretty high quality one. Look at that.